our project is about to make IPR better usable for sustainability transformations. That requires a basic foundation of understanding the mechanisms of IPRs within sustainable business models. And that's all about, because there will be no world without IPR. There's a world with IPR, and then the debate is how to make it the best use of it in order to stimulate the diffusion of sustainable business solutions.
A move towards using IP for sustainable development for common goods and away from using IP purely for economic development is needed. For the IPACST project, we have studied companies that are into recycling, like plastic recycling, battery recycling, and also renewable energy technologies, and also companies with social inventions, like nutritional products that can help treat malnutrition in low and middle income countries. And we have seen these companies use IP for accelerating sustainable development in these areas. One of the companies that we have interviewed is a France-based company that invented a nutritional product that can treat malnutrition among children and mothers. And they have used their IP strategically to promote socio-economic development in lower and middle income countries. They did that through a franchising model where they licensed their patents for a very minimal royalty rate and transferred their industrial know-how, worked closely with the local manufacturers in African countries, helped them build the industrial unit, and used the local produce to manufacture the nutrition product to treat children and mother in that area.
We also found that there are some cases where the technologies are well developed, for example recycling technology. But the real novelty lies not only in the output or the tangible technology as such, but the novelty lies in the process know-how or the industrial know-how. But that know-how is not patentable. So ultimately the inventor will have to keep it as a trade secret because they cannot patent it. So we need to find out new ways to incentivize these companies so that they can share their know-how with others to increase their sustainability impact.
I hope for the future that we have an avalanche of innovations and a spirit of experimentation and testing out and quick learning in order to find out the best solutions.
Sustainable development is a collective effort. It's not a one person's game. It's really important we all work together and think about intellectual property not just for economic growth, but really use it for sustainable development. It is the responsibility of the industries, policymakers, and even all the users of intellectual property to think towards how IP can be put in use for a common good and for a sustainable development as a way forward.